Today we're checking out a Specialized demo at McAllister Park in San Antonio. I've been interested in plus-size tires ever since I rode the Pivot Switchblade, so I was quick to select the Specialized S-Works Stumpjumper Fatty. With 3-inch wide tubeless tires, full carbon frame and wheels, custom Öhlins suspension, SRAM XX1 Eagle 1x12 drivetrain, and an aggressive trail geometry, I was in for a tantalizing ride. I generally ride large-sized frames, but someone else was out on that one and I couldn't be bothered to wait, so I went with an extra-large frame. The mechanic was nice enough to take the seat height measurement off the Jeffsy, so I felt right at home on this thing.
Stay on for now.
He also set me up using the auto sag, which is pretty dope. Just plop your body on the seat, give the suspension a bounce, and it sets the rear sag for you. Beats fiddling around with my suspension setup for months. Anyways, first thing I noticed was the short chainstays and lightweight. This bike was playful to say the least.
My foot placement's horrible right now. Oh yeah. Wow. Plus tires for the win.
I'm also kind of in love with plus-size tires now. They just crush everything in their path, provide great grip, and feel comfy when pulling off my weak-ass bunny hops.
Oh, wow.
The reach on this bike was also definitely longer than the Pivot Switchblade, which felt good compared to the somewhat cramped Pivot. I really appreciated the geometry on this bike and felt comfortable on it almost instantly. It pedaled well, was very fast when my body wasn't failing me.
I haven't gotten to ride much this week, so I'm a little tired already.
And the Öhlins suspension felt supportive and comforting, like a warm bear hug from a loved one. On the negative side of things, I didn't particularly like the tire choice on this bike. While the Specialized slaughter on the rear was great for rolling fast, I missed the confident grip on my Maxxis High Roller 2s, and it didn't take long before this happened.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh! Oh! Fuck. Okay, that was scary.
I've ridden that section before, both on the Jeffsy and Teal Steel, and neither one of those washed out that easily.
There we go.
I'm the type of rider that will take grip over speed any day. That's a minor detail to dislike a bike, since you can easily change out the tires to your preference.
Yeah, this section's a lot of fun. It's pretty smooth. It's a little rocky, but that's okay. Oh, yeah. I love it.
This bike was amazing to ride, and it can be all yours for the absurd price of $8,200. $8,200. Can I go on a tangent here for a minute or two? Don't get me wrong, I love bike demos, but to be honest, who are they for? While the Stumpy is an amazing machine, the average consumer can't drop that kind of cash on a bike. I certainly can't. I mean, it's a particularly cold winter here in Texas, and this is my heating plan. It is awesome they allow people to ride such incredible machines, but I wish demos would provide more affordable options. None of the bikes they typically bring to these demos are even remotely close to my budget. Also, if these demos are intended to get non-riders excited about mountain biking, nothing's going to turn them off faster than these price tags. Abby's expressed an interest in trying out mountain biking.
Yay!
I spoke with a Liv representative at a demo a couple weeks ago and asked what beginner bikes he had for a woman who's never been mountain biking before. His cheapest option available was a $1,700 full suspension bike. If that isn't off-putting to a beginner, then I don't know what is. A casual consumer who may have an interest in pursuing biking as a hobby sure as hell isn't going to drop $2 to $8 grand on something they may not even enjoy. It's like test driving a Ferrari when you damn well know you have a Honda Civic budget. If you can afford such an expensive bike, then more power to you. Don't let me discourage you from buying something that you're really excited about. But to me, I think they should use these demos to inspire new riders as well as satisfy seasoned ones. It wouldn't kill them to throw a rock hopper in there. Let me know what you guys think of that in the comments. I mean, do you agree with that, or am I just being a penny-pinching old man? In conclusion, I think the Stumpjumper is an amazing bike, but the price tag of this particular model is quite off-putting. I would definitely need to be a victorious racer before dropping this kind of cash.
Wow. I've struggled on that before with the Jeff C. With this thing, was 10 times easier.
When comparing the bike I rode with my bikes, I didn't feel like it provided $5,500 worth of upgrades over my bike. I could literally buy 117 teal steels for that price. Here are some clips of me riding the same section at the same park, both on the $8,200 Stumpjumper and then the $70 Hard Rock.
All right. Oh my gosh. I can't even keep my feet on the pedals in here. Oh! Already. Is going faster the answer? I can't even get any speed, it's just bouncing. Little ripper. What's up? Holy crap, dude. Oh! Behind you. Oh, thank you.
To be honest, I was having more fun on the Hard Rock. Not to say I wasn't having fun on the Stumpjumper, but that bike is so nice it feels like cheating. It just floats all over the techie stuff and kind of takes the fun challenge away.
I love the way this thing flicks the front tire off the ground. It's so easy. I'm truly impressed by this bike. I've seen that guy like 4 times today. It's 30 years old. It costs less than a Walmart bike. And it's outperforming. It's incredible. Oh crap, almost fell. All right, dang. So after doing that section on this and the $70 1988 Hard Rock, I definitely took less of a beating on this bike, obviously. But like I said, it felt like it was cheating almost. This thing pedals really well.
Yes, it's slightly faster, stiffer, and lighter than the Jeff C, but for that much money, I could buy a pretty impressive workout set and some steroids and just make myself faster.
Alright, that's one.
Thank you for watching. Sorry about the mid-video rant, and please consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. A new adventure on wheels awaits you weekly, and we'd love to have you here. Until next time, everyone, stay rowdy within reason.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. I really like this bike.